It's rare to hear an explanation to an art in progress. The purpose of these videos is to show you close-up analysis as aesthetic decisions are being made. This shape and the tail, this is very special. And in order to bring that special quality out, I would have to silence the base part of this. In other words, black, black. And then I realized this line is here. And if this line link into this area, it doesn't really work too well. And it also kind of disturbs this space there. So this line might have to go in order for this shape to really comes out. But let's pay attention to the top area, which I just covered in black. And I even eliminated this line. I have been looking at it, seeing an eye here with a face all this time, and it bothers me so much that I try to eliminate it somehow. Right now the U shape is here, and if I color this one black and this one black, the curve will have an ascending motion instead of a bending down U shape. I'll show you in a minute and see. I've just made this area, small area, black, and it would seem that the link is still there. The curves still linger around. So I would be coloring this one black and coloring that one black. Let's see how that's gonna work. Yep. Okay. Now I haven't colored in the line. There's no line here anymore, and this space is connected. Then you don't really see the face as much, and this doesn't become as an eye as much. The shape becomes more like a giraffe in the background as an entity by itself. It's not linked to anywhere, and I kind of like this more.